so weird.
I know you do. Do you have to cry? Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie or desert you. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I'm Christian, of course, and this is...
I'm Brittany, the dumb friend.
today. And so what we're gonna do today is pad thai, yum, and Vietnamese spring rolls. So it's gonna be those fresh rolls, nothing fried today. But before we do that, what I need you to do for me is to share our show because I know you love it, subscribe to it for that same reason, and like it, please.
I know what stuff is. This is peanut butter.
First things first, we're gonna make our...
Give me a big knife.
No. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the dipping sauce for our spring rolls. Oil, garlic, hoisin sauce, peanut butter, chili paste.
That was impressive. Hoisin. It's pronounced hoisin, not hoisin.
So you can never cut.
Like flush.
So you can So you can never cut your
like
fingers.
I am gonna... Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I thought I was doing a good job until I saw that. I didn't have it anymore.
Put it probably on medium.
Okay. All right. 2 tablespoons.
Yep.
Probably about.
Probably actually 2 of those.
1
and a half. Yeah. That's
good.
Yeah, that's more than 2, but that's good. That's totally fine.
That's good.
Yeah, it's awesome. So we're gonna cook the garlic until it's fragrant. I'm gonna keep it from getting too brown, right? But it is also you can
golden.
Here.
Yeah,
smell
no,
that?
it's in my eyeballs.
Right, that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And then we want
baby eyeballs.
Turn it down a
Little
bit.
baby balls.
We want 8 teaspoons of this.
Whoa!
And then we're gonna put 2 or 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. That's exactly 3. Here you go.
That's 3 tablespoons?
Mhm.
Like
Maybe
to
3.5.
slap
Yeah,
it in?
yeah. Slap it in. Slap it in. Just
Like a finger scrape?
sure. Yeah, we're eating it. We're the ones eating it. It's different when I'm making it for other people. So now we're gonna add a little bit of the chili paste. Woo, that's a lot.
Oh, I did that. My bad.
All right, stir faster, 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 faster.
What's that?
Water.
Oh, I think it's spilled on the stove.
It doesn't matter. Just so the best way to prevent spills is not to be so like that. Actually, it's to be at kind of a 45-degree angle because that's not gonna create as much splash.
But you still can get to do it.
Absolutely.
Legit. Check my skills. Is that? Am I doing it?
It's great. It's perfect. You're doing great.
I didn't just get a good. I got a great. That's a gold star.
It's a silver star.
I will let this burn. I'll burn this.
So we just brought our sauce to a boil, and we're going to turn the heat off and allow it to cool and thicken. And I'm gonna let Brittany stir it. Actually,
Because I am a professional stirrer now.
she's got stirring
A
skills.
silver star stirrer.
Oh, you know what? I wasn't even trying to say that.
Nope, you said it.
What we're gonna do next is cook the innards and prepare the innards.
The innards.
Yeah, stuffings.
The innards.
For our spring rolls. That involves shrimp and pork. What we should do first is get the pork going, peel the shrimp because they take less time, and then cook the shrimp. Yes. Let's do the shrimps.
The shrimps. They'll stab you right in your skin. Shrimp skeletons.
Ooh, smell it. Our oil is warm. We're going to throw our shrimp in there. All at once. Oh. You missed one.
Well, it was...
Just put it in. Put it in. Time's wasted.
It was burning my body. Oh my gosh, they turned pink right away.
Yeah. This is our vermicelli noodles.
Looks like Easter grass.
Yeah, it looks exactly like Easter grass. That's a very American convention.
Oh, sure. Alright.
Alright, that's great. Look at that.
What
Like,
now?
you see how it's more loose, the
Yeah.
noodles?
Loosey goosey noodles.
That's great. We're gonna open up these wraps. However they open. Whoa. Five to 10 seconds, you're gonna want to soak it inside of
The water?
Yeah.
3, 1004, 1005, 1000. Whoa!
Whoa, right? Okay.
Yep. There you go.
Let me show you what I'm doing, and then you'll do
Okay.
that. Yeah, because it's a ticking
You gotta
clock.
do it right. Okay,
Right.
that makes sense.
Let's try these out.
It's happening?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Ooh. I'm just gonna. That's really good. We made some really good spring rolls. Brittany's the winner. Here's the thing about pad thai. We're gonna make it now. Let's turn this pan on.
I'll do it.
Put 1 tablespoon of oil.
Trade me.
Put those in
Just
the
straight in?
oil. Yeah, put those in the oil. Chili pep.
Chili pep. Oh, she took the lid off. She's getting hardcore. It's real. Whoa! I might just do this and make it look like I'm professional.
Almost. But here's what you really want to do. What I'm going to do, move everything to one side.
That was beautiful.
Nice. Oh boy. That's like what makes pad thai. Is it the egg? Did you say?
I honestly think it's everything.
Well,
The combination of ingredients, it's really, there's a lot of protein in pad thai, and that's kind of a really fantastic thing about it.
those bean sprouts?
They are. So for our noodles, we are just soaking them in a little more than warm water. And it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. We're at probably 7, 8 minutes.
Candy.
Happiness candy.
That's why you have dessert first, because maybe you won't live through dinner. You're gonna miss dessert, so you must have it first.
Start.
That's not that dark. Permanent trade. Alright, that's fine. I'll prefer yours.
Ooh,
I
get
got
crazy.
a little nutty
Get
with that
crazy.
one.
Getting crazy.
A
Nutty.
little snappy. Get it? A little bit nutty. A little bit peanutty. Good enough.
Alright. So guys, I don't know if you saw this up close and personal.
Mine's the prettiest.
Brittany really stirred the shit out of this pad thai, so our tofu is not solid anymore.
I was told to stir and stir and stir.
I didn't say rough.
I can't believe you're bringing this up now.
But anyways, it looks really delicious, and we're gonna dig into this, but what I hope that you do, and what I know that you'll do, is subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and like it, because I know you like it. So we'll see you next time, guys, and thanks for watching. Yeah, that's alright.